You have a gift for her?
Yes.
What is it?
We're gonna buy it first. And we're gonna buy your teddy bear. Sorry, I did that. Okay.
No.
Do you want a
Door?
Do you want a door? Okay, come on. Follow me.
Turn on the light.
Come on. This is my room. This is my room. In SH, we have 2 bedrooms.
Okay.
Well,
You introduce your friends.
this is my toys. This can talk. See, she can talk. So my bed is princess. Look.
Wow. Do you want Inday Sage to come here?
Yeah, I miss her.
You miss her?
Yeah, and this is my panty and my
panty. Your study table, huh?
Yeah. And this is my gum. I'm gonna eat it. Hey.
What else do you want to tell her?
And do you wanna visit? Do you wanna see Mommy's bedroom and Daddy's bedroom?
No. Daddy's sleeping there.
Oh
Next
yeah.
time.
Daddy's sleeping there. That's why.
Why is Daddy sleeping? Because
he's gonna go to work.
when? Tonight?
Mhm.
Yeah. So what
Can you
else?
smell that? Okay.
Come here, come here. Come here.
See?
Yeah. Come on. You just put that down. Estelle, she cannot smell it. They
I
cannot
know.
smell that.
I know.
You put it back there.
Wait.
Just talk to her. Come on. Faster.
Do you wanna go to the kitchen?
I know what you want to do. You dance.
Okay. Okay, come on. Come on.
Wait. You wait for me. Okay.
Okay, come on. So this is my kitchen.
Oh, is that your kitchen?
Mhm.
Go there.
This is my kitchen.
You're funny. Come here, just your room.
Okay.
And you talk.
Okay. So we have real flowers in here. So and this is my
May habol.
my habul. Habul.
You just speak Bisaya and then.
Okay. In the sage, kanya kung kuan. What's something, Mommy?
What? Patio?
This is my kani akong patio.
Oh, okay. You speak English.
So,
So what?
So
You don't know how to speak Bisaya? You're joking.
No, I'm not. See? Go on in message. Mommy.
What? The patio? Oh, the pool?
Yeah.
Yeah, you tell Inday Sage that the pool is just out there.
The pool is just out there.
You can see it.
And see it.
Yeah. If Inday Sage will come here, you're gonna swim there, right?
You're right.
Mm-hmm.
Woo!
Okay.
So bye, Inday Sage. I miss you. Bye.
Kiss.
Mwah.